G'day and welcome back. So I actually knew what I could and couldn't get for this Porsche Spyder restoration. So this is a Triang MMC 61 Porsche Spyder with G3 guide type. In the last video, the total spent for what you saw in the last video, $10.14 for the windscreen, $13.35 for each body shell, so that's $26.70. There were the two bolts that are $5.32 each, and the guide that was there. So that brought it to a total of $52.80. So, but what we're looking at now, just this axle alone, that cost $53.51. So that's taken it well over $100. But on eBay at the moment, you will be flat out trying to get one of these for less than 200 Australian. So we've got $14.16 worth of reproduction wheels, $5.32 for the axle, because this is from the last yellow MMC 54 Lotus 16 that I got to disassemble this motor and the wiring and the braids. So there's over 20 bucks for those four. And the head from the Lotus. These tyres are actually off of this axle. I've put second-hand tyres on the front there. These are nice and soft and might actually grip the track, so we might give this a test run when I'm finished. And the head, $5.32. The only thing I can't get a fuel cap. Haven't been able to find one of them. There's no reproduction. There's no genuine. So I should have headlights and tail lights in the post. And we'll do a video when I get them. I still have to paint that. So I think I'll be getting some Humbrol flat white, because it was probably Humbrol paints they used. I'll get some Humbrol flat white for that. And I'll see you in the next video.